Hey, Dark Horse Nation. I hope you guys are getting through this storm okay. This is going to be my last check-in video of the day. And so far, we still have power. And I thought I would share with you guys what we're going to be having for supper after a while. So it's cold out. And guys, we still have power, so we're going to do some good old-fashioned pinto beans. Shake this out. And a big old some ham hock right there. Yum, 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 yum. So these have been on the stove for hours, and this is going to be our supper today. And guys, let me tell you something. On a cold, cold winter day, you cannot beat pinto beans and onion. And I'm going to make some jiffy cornbread, which is simple to do. And it tastes so good. So that's going to be supper, guys. That's what we're going to do today. So I hope you guys have something good to eat and warm, and I hope your power is stayed on so far. But anyway, just to show you how prepared I was, I've got 2 cases of water here, another case by the door. This is my good old trusty Coleman stove. And I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 canisters, or 7 canisters, pairs of propane. Then battery operated lights, charcoal just in case, D-cell batteries, triple A's, double A's. Most important thing, a fire extinguisher if you're going to have kerosene heaters inside the house. Emergency radio. And this is a Big Buddy heater, guys. It's a dual propane operated heater with a built-in fan. The thing is amazing, guys. And so I hope I do not have to use any of this stuff today. And I hope you guys are prepared as well if you have to use it. And this stuff just comes in handy. And we also have battery operated candles, as you can see on the table. And those are a lot safer than using real candles. And with that, guys, I'm going to take you outside and I'll show you where we stand as far as the ice and rain goes. And I also had an emergency solar powered spotlight, and those do come in handy too. And then I have 2 kerosene heaters. One has an electric fan built in, which is great. The other one is just a standard kerosene heater, and I tested them both out yesterday and they work just fine. So with that, let's go outside and I'll show you what the current weather conditions look like. And it's still cold, and we're getting more rain now than sleet, and so it's still cold, it's still white. You see how slick this stuff is. It's pretty slick, guys, and so you don't really want to be out in this mess still yet if you don't have to be. So as you can see, I guess you can see that we are getting ice forming on the branches. As you can see here, ice is starting to form. So this is what they were talking about as far as power lines, and I'll show you some of that here in just a second. And it's more rain, just a little bit of rain now than anything else. And you should be able to see this on the trees here. Yeah, it's right here. See if I can blow this up a little bit. Yeah, you can see the ice starting to form on the tree branches. So yes, if this continues for another several hours, we could have an issue with the power also going off. And you can see the icicles on the water fountain. And guys, it is cold. And we have ice on the pines. But while I have electricity, I'm going to take advantage of supper and the beans and watching the football game. And I am really glad that I built that covering for my heat pump. So that in itself, guys, eases my mind. If you can see the ice right here, I mean, that is solid ice on this right here. So if that heat pump was uncovered, it would be covered in ice right now. You can see the icicles, maybe. I can't get in because I have it locked, but you can see the icicles hanging off. You can hear it running. But the heat pump itself is totally dry, which for me, I think is a good thing. But I hope you guys have had a good, safe day. If you do have to go to work tomorrow, please be safe, y'all. And if you stay home, just stay home. It's not worth it. It's really not. I'm looking forward to when spring comes and I can sit in this swing again. So I'm going to show you what the power line looks like at the moment. And it is cold. Now if I can do this and not fall down, I'll be doing good. So let's see. Alright. The gutters are full of sleet. And so right here, it's going to be hard to see. Here we can see it. As you can see, there's ice forming on the cable lines. You got icicles on the power lines. So this is where the problem will come later on if it continues to rain and stays below freezing. So yeah, I'm hoping we get lucky, and I hope the power stays on, and I hope all you guys hope you have power. And I'm going to call it a day and finish up the game. And guys, y'all stay safe today. Stay blessed. And if you have to get up tomorrow morning, just be careful going to work. And with that being said, guys, you know me. Perfect day. Ball game, pinto beans, cornbread, and my little favorite concoction here. I'm gonna give y'all Sunday evening toast, guys. What do we say, Dark Horse Nation? Damn, that's good. All right, guys, y'all take care, and I'll get back with you in a few days with a new video of some kind. Y'all stay safe. Please like, subscribe, share. It's free. Y'all take care. And you have a good night.